Question: what is the difference between a report and a dashboard in Power BI? Answer: in Power BI, reports and dashboards serve different purposes and have distinct characteristics. 1. Report. A report is a multi-page, detailed collection of visualizations built on a dataset. It allows for interactive exploration, filtering, and drilling down into data. Reports are created in Power BI Desktop and can be published to the Power BI service. Each report is tied to a single dataset. Example: a sales report showing multiple pages with revenue trends, product-wise sales, and regional performance. 2. Dashboard. A dashboard is a single-page, canvas view that displays pinned visualizations from different reports and datasets. It provides a high-level summary and is mainly used for monitoring KPIs. Dashboards are only available in the Power BI service, not in Power BI Desktop. Dashboards can pull visuals from multiple reports and datasets, unlike reports. Example: a CEO dashboard showing key metrics like total revenue, profit margin, and customer churn rate at a glance. Key difference: reports are detailed and multi-page, used for deep analysis. Dashboards are high-level and single-page, used for quick insights and monitoring.